chơi ra mới tao. Thu đẹp. Thu đẹp.
so you have the most amount of movement left and right. Now, this is cool. I really do enjoy it. It's not technically towing it, you're more so slinging the truck, but to be able to get onto all platforms, this is absolutely amazing. Another big thing that I like about this is the wheel lift. As you can hop up into here, there's a hitch here with a fifth wheel plate and a ball hitch. So if you back up to a trailer with this unfolded, you'll just automatically be able to hook up to it like a normal trailer hitch. They'll put put the receiver on, and you can just tow whatever you want. It's very versatile that way, of where this truck can tow anything. It can tow combines, anything with a trailer hitch. You can put one of these things on, and you're good to go. But Towman, you're saying there's two separate hitches. This one is for like combines and stuff, where the hitch is further in on the vehicle and you've got something overhanging it. That is what this is for. All it does is bring the strap point closer to the tow truck, so it's easier to strap. That's all that one's for. The nice thing is about these is you don't have to carry around a separate truck. If you set this down right there, and you hop into this bad boy, you can attach it and it just sits right there. What you gotta know is you got to detach that before you try to hook anything up with the wheel lift, because if you don't, then your straps are just automatically going to click onto the one that's stored on your truck. So with that said, this thing can also take fuel. It can hold a bunch of fuel in it. It's a great all-round service truck. For a tow truck simulation on console, it is the best I think you're ever going to get. As long as you can get over the little bit of imagination on towing the truck or slinging the truck off the boom, you'll be alright. The only thing that kind of bugs me on it, or an old style wrecker, as you can see, it's more like a older Holmes wrecker with the pulleys and everything. You wouldn't normally have a wheel lift like this with a boom like that. You would just have your sling lift here. So if they were able to implement the sling lift that butted into where your straps were, so if this sling lift was connected to the strap point, and when you lifted and lowered your booms, the sling lift was actually the strap point where it would connect onto that bar, it would look a lot better, because that's how you would sling a vehicle in real life, just with chains going underneath and connecting onto the frame or an axle or something. But all in all, just little things that just, to my eyes, being a tow truck driver, aren't quite right. But it's definitely a beautiful mod, and I highly like it. The fact that this just came out, and he's put a lot of time and effort into it. You've probably seen his live streams about it. And if you haven't, go check him out. He's on YouTube, 82 Studios. I'll leave a link to his YouTube channel down below. So moving on from 82 Studios, we've got a bunch of different trucks here.